welcome to In the Community. I'm your host, April McNamara, and today's guest is Chip Wood from Rebuilding Together Fox Valley. Welcome, Chip.
Thanks for having me. Pleasure to be here.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about what is Rebuilding Together all about?
We make homes safe and healthy. Basically what we do is we'll go into a home, do a complete home assessment, find out what we can do to make it safer, healthier.
Okay, so what kind of things do you do to help make homes safer?
Primarily we focus on home modifications and repairs. Our biggest requested items is our fall prevention initiative, which works to do things like grab bars, bathtub transfer benches, shower chairs, toilet seat risers, anti-slip strips in the shower floor, and some night lights. And these things have been shown to dramatically improve the safety in the home, and over the last 3 years we have a success rate of 93.65%. People haven't fallen in their homes again after we visited.
Wow,
which
that's
is really neat. Yeah.
That is a pretty high percentage.
Yeah,
Yes, that's
yeah,
great.
really exciting.
Yeah, and did you know that less than 5% of U.S. homes have accessible features in them? So you guys are doing a great service. If someone is interested in having you come into their home to help maybe install grab bars or maybe have a look at the home, how do they go about reaching you?
There's a bunch of different ways that you can get in contact with us. One is to give us a call at 920-730-2156, or you can reach out to us on our website at rtfv.org. We're also available on social media. And something that's really important to know, April, is our services are free. We have an incredibly generous community, so if you qualify for our services, everything is completely free.
Wow. Well, thanks so much for sharing that with us. And thanks so much for joining us in the community. In the Community is brought to you by Functional Living with April, a company servicing the Fox cities and surrounding area to bring fun and function into your home. We provide customized services to work together with you to create a more functional and supportive home, so you have more time to do the things you want to do, to truly live in your home. To find out more, check out our website and follow us on YouTube and Facebook. Thanks. We look forward to connecting with you.